Even with these numbers not spiking right now, there is big concern whether there will be a rise in COVID cases after Christmas and New Year's gatherings.
Our Lisa Balick is looking into what health experts are saying tonight. She joins us live from South Portland. Lisa.
Yeah, there is a lot of worry. Doctors say we won't know until mid-January whether people did what they should when it comes to not getting together in large groups at Christmas time. And again, we have New Year's coming up in just a couple of days. Now, we checked at the Portland airport yesterday, which is often one of the busiest days of the year with people returning from Christmas travel. But it was very quiet there, down an estimated 75%. Now, travelers told us their flights were not full. It seems most people were taking health leaders' advice to stay home. But if you took a neighborhood walk the past couple of days, you may have seen plenty of cars outside homes on Christmas, with families still gathering locally, many hoping to celebrate a new year this week, wanting to finally get together, but health leaders worry we could face a COVID surge before most of us get the vaccine. I asked the doctor who's head of the ICU units at OHSU what he still sees among his COVID patients.
We see young people with no known medical conditions who get very ill from this, children who get very ill from this. And so, yes, it's less common, but it is still happening.
Now, and doctors in our area are still seeing the highest numbers of hospitalizations from COVID. Now, there is obviously concern about COVID fatigue setting in. It's what a lot of us are starting to feel after going on 10 months of having to wear masks, social distance. And I found out what doctors have to say about that and what we may or may not see happening in the next few months. That's coming up tonight at 5. Live in South Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.